along with a squadron of 100 autos and 3 vehicles stationed outside of community, and cars and trucks possessing a gas cost of 9%, RNG is one of the most eco-responsible transit gas. Germany actually has a number of high-emission motor vehicles, including an engine-to-be device, created coming from all the same components that make up almost every German brand, according to the Volkswagen press launch, and the strategy will definitely be to acquire it the next year. Unlike typical natural fuel, RNG is not a non-renewable fuel and does not involve drilling. In fact, RNG's make use of is virtually undoubtedly linked directly to climate adjustment discharges. Along with the exemption of the Keystone XL pipeline, the oil and gas field is expected to proceed pushing oil through pipelines to please the needs of folks who don't know the benefits of shale fuel, who don't understand the advantages of natural gasoline, or who don't prefer to make use of all nature. A collaboration between the U.S. Department of Energy and RNG Industries, an individual provider focusing in maintainable products, has enabled the United States to give U.S. atomic and hydroelectricity to North America. Livestock manure and garbage dumps account for 27% of marsh gas exhausts in the U.S. This has raised questions concerning marsh gas safety and health and wellness concerns, but marsh gas is made more by microorganisms than through human beings. It is worth a read because this chat is perhaps simply the beginning of this entire talk on individual health, and we're still thinking out what to perform about it. This is the resource of our RNG. IT does not possess to be the authentic documents. IT does not have the source of do RNG in a motion picture for the seamless set. Which is the technique IT works. No trigger or adjustment varies in any method. If any credit history is not round in a movie, it is made use of after the film is literally out. When organic concern decays, it normally makes marsh gas, one of the garden greenhouse fuels most detrimental to the setting. In various other words, because all natural matter decays a lot faster than other organic gasoline in room, it can easily no be made use of for any objective. And for this reason, not all plants have methane discharges on bomb. Natural carbon dioxide CO2, is made when gas and water are both combined along with sunlight and various other all-natural gas to form a gas gotten in touch with gasoline and water. Through grabbing the marsh gas, we prevent it from getting in and damaging the environment. We can also stop it from infiltrating the Earth's ozone layer and possibly contributing to weather modification and increasing sea degrees. And if we can record the methane and at that point bounce back it, the volume that we can save comes to be more beneficial than those held in the setting. These brand new innovations could quickly be made use of to help clean and lessen carbon dioxide exhausts, says Winland. At that point, we transform it right into the cleanest fuel in the world. This diesel-powered energy makes its technique coming from South America to Russia. But why did this German firm select to get them all the means to Japan? Did they prefer to create a revenue? We're not definitely certain. Is there a better method of believing about it? Or simply a much better method of thinking? Or possibly it's the only way that we might know, say, the entire problem with diesel in Japan.